Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huawei Band 9, and one of its main features for this wearable is the support for push notifications. As you can see here, it has a notification function. So we will see if it works with the call notifications as well as app notifications and SMS notifications. So we will try to see if this feature works with popular applications. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start with setting up our Huawei Band 9. Again, one of the main feature here of features is the push notification. So we are going to set it up with our Huawei Health app. So we are already paired with this Huawei Health application. So it is the main app for the Band 9 and other Huawei wearables. So let's set the wearable here. As you can see here, we are already paired with the application, 85%. So let's see for the options. It is our first try to set up the notifications for the Huawei Band 9. So we have a section for watch faces, and we have some tips here and news about the other wearables from Huawei. We have the profile here, so I don't see any options or settings for the device. Let's see, maybe it's here. Yeah, it's there. Hello Huawei Health, access your location. Okay, we are after the notifications, so let's look for it. So we have here the notifications. Tap on it. So it's already enabled. Let's pick the app where you want to receive notifications. We want Messenger here, Instagram, okay, Viber, WhatsApp application, Telegram. So we have these applications on our phone. Let's look for other options here. Strava, Wear Pro, Weather. Okay, I think that's it. Let's see again. So we have Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Viber, and Messages. Going back, we have the Instagram activated. Let's go at the top here. We have Messages, that is for the text messages. Messenger, Instagram, it's all okay here, I think. Okay, so that's it. Going back, so we have here the support for quick reply. So tap on it. Let's add our option here. Yes, quick reply works. Okay, let's arrange the position. We'll put it here on top. Okay, it's on the top, then back. So what are the other options here? I think that's it. Okay, so we already enabled notifications as well as the quick replies. Okay, so let's start. So we have here our other phone. So hopefully we can receive notifications on our Huawei Band 9. So let's swipe and open our phone. Let's start with the Instagram. So we have here our Instagram account. So let's send a message. Hello Huawei Band 9. Okay, so let's send a message here. Message sent. Okay, Our phone already received a message, but we did not receive any notifications here. Okay, we have here, but the screen did not activate. Let's see. Settings, notifications, wake screen, show notifications. Okay, notifications will only be shown when the band is being worn. If notifications aren't displaying properly, try disabling this feature. Let's disable this first. Okay, wake screen. Turn on screen when notifications are received. Right, so do you see the options here? Okay, let's have another one. Hello. Message sent. And let's wait. Oops. No notifications again. And that's it. Okay. Hello. Just a delay. Hello. Hi. So there's a delay on the network for Instagram right now. Or maybe it's our network. Okay. So as you can see here, we have the logo. We have the name of the sender. And we have the option to delete. I guess this is the quick reply. And this one. Okay, so there's an option here. If you don't want to use the quick reply, we have a quick reply emoticons here. Let's see if we can reply here. Okay, let's send this message. Message sent. Okay, we have it here. Nice. It's a good option here. Okay. For the quick reply, yes, quick reply works. And we have it here. Very good option. Okay, so far it works with the Instagram. How about the call notifications? And we have it here, and call. As you can see here, we have, you miss an audio call from Xiaodi. Instagram. Okay, so far it works. We have here the Telegram. Okay, let's send a message. Hello, Huawei Band 9. Message sent. And we have it here with the logo. And again, we have an option here to reply. Okay. We already replied with our smiley or emoticons. And we have it here. Okay, nice. How about the call? And we have it here. It works. Okay, please answer on your phone. You can also reply to the missed calls on Telegram. Okay, so everything works for Telegram also. Then another one, Viber. Let's send a message here. Okay, let's send a hello. Huawei Band 9. Okay, let's send an emoticon. Okay, and we have it here. Although it did not work here, as you can see, we didn't receive any emoticons. There's no emoticons here or smiley, but we can quick reply. Okay, okay, okay. Then let's try to call. Can we receive a missed call? And call. And we have it here, missed call. Okay, it works with the Viber application. Next, let's try the WhatsApp application. Okay, we'll update later on. Let's say hello. Hello. Huawei Band 9. Then message sent. And we have it here. Huawei Band 9 with the logo of WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, it works. Let's have a quick reply also. Let's pick other options here. Sorry, I'm busy. Message sent. And as you can see here. Okay, another one. Emoticons. And we have the reply here. Okay, so far I'm impressed with the message notifications of, or smart notifications of the Huawei Band 9. Okay, so far it works. Missed calls. Then, the last one for the app, we have the Messenger. After this, we'll proceed with the text notifications. Hello, Huawei Band 9. Message sent. And we have it here with its own logo also. Quick reply. Great. Does it work? Yes. Okay. So as you can see, it works for the Facebook Messenger also. Okay, the last one. Let's try the missed call and call. Can we receive a missed call? Yes, we can receive a missed call on our Huawei Band 9. Okay, it's a pretty cool feature of the Huawei Band 9. Okay, so it works with the Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Oh, alright, next, let's try the text messaging here. Let's say hello again. Hello, Huawei Band 9. Message sent, and we have it here. A text message, and as you can see here, we have it has its own icon here, separate icon. Let's have a quick reply. Again, this is SMS. See you soon. Okay, grant permission on the phone. So we need the permission. We already enabled it, I think. Let's see. Okay, let's try hello, and let's read the message. Okay, so let's see if we can have a quick reply. Grant the health app the messaging permission on the phone. Okay, so we will enable first the SMS notification. Okay, here on the app permission, let's allow the SMS to have an access. So SMS access for this app, allow it. We'll see if this thing or the notification reply works for the Huawei Health app. Okay, so again, let's start. So again, if you can't reply, try to enable the notification permission for SMS. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, so we sent message, and as you can see here, it works. Let's say hello again. Let's have a quick reply. Yes, quick reply works, and it works. Okay, so far it works with text messages. Just don't forget to enable the SMS notification permission or access. Okay, we did not activate it previously. We thought that it works already with the notification permission on the Huawei Health app. Next, let's have a call. Let's see if we can receive a call notifications. Okay, so someone's calling, and we have here a known number. Okay, and call. Okay, so far it works for the call notification. Call just ended. I don't know if we can add a number in our support app. So let's see. But so far everything works here. Our health. Let's see if we have here SMS contacts. So let's enable. Let's check if we can receive a call. Allow. Or the call ID. As you can see, it's a known number. Let's try it again. If you know how to set it up, okay, just drop a comment below. If this thing will not work, try to comment below and show us how the call notification works. And now it works, as you can see. Previously, it's a known number. Right now, we do have the name of the caller and the number, and we have an option to deny the calls or reply with a quick reply option. Let's see. Okay, and we have here the quick reply. Okay, so that's it for the Huawei Band 9 push notifications. And it includes call notifications with quick reply, as well as SMS notifications with quick reply. And of course, it also included with the app notifications with quick reply and missed calls. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Goodbye.